Greetings, Halloween haunter types. Only about 5 weeks to go till Halloween. And getting ready to unveil my zombie. I'll give you an overview and then we'll show you how he's made on the inside. Here he is without his clothes on. Sorry, zombie. You can see he is the legs are just made of wood. And then as I come up, his upper body and arms are PVC. They are 1-inch PVC. We've got a corner here, T here. In the middle, I'm using a cross piece, and the neck and spine is actually 3/4 inch PVC. So it rotates left to right. Here's the motor. It is just one of those deer motors. Those wicker deer reindeer motors that you find at Christmas. And it is just pushing the pipe left and right. Took a little trial and error just to get the distance right. I still might tinker with it some more. And you can see the pipe is just resting inside a cap, which is screwed onto the wood. As I mentioned, the spine is a 3/4 pipe, and it fits really well in that 1-inch cross connection. So it's free to rotate, but it still has really good support. Here's a look at the head. It's just a styrofoam wig stand from Michael's. And inside there you can see I put a red 12-volt LED from Radio Shack. And the reason why it's in his cheek is because where the eye falls on the mask, that was kind of where I put the pencil mark for the LED. So even though it doesn't quite line up, when the mask is on, it actually looks pretty good. In the back, you can see I got the wires running out of the head. Down here, it's plugged into a 12-volt power supply, and then the power supply plugs into the deer motor, which is nice because now I only have to use one outlet to run the motor and the LED at the same time. So this was supposed to be a swaying zombie, but the head and the wig stand and the shoulders and the arms was too much weight for one of these motors. So I kind of took it all apart and tinkered with it and figured out that he could be a Leering zombie instead. So I'm really happy about that. I was able to salvage this project, and part of the fun is really just building something out of parts that you have lying around, or parts that are pretty cheap like these PVC connections, and just have fun with it, do something fun. The clothes were a total of $5 at Salvation Army, so it was a lot of fun. And I'm going to put some bubble wrap on it, put them outside with some lights on, put some hands on them, and I think from set him back on the lawn a ways, he's going to look pretty good. So that's where I'm at. Still got about 6 weeks till Halloween, so let me know if you have any questions or comments, or post a video response. As always, thanks for watching, and happy haunting.